Antoaso.
So Maminchia Yura, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And now Nyamedi Afe Ekanim Fie. Anya sanity.
Sa pepe unya 62 endra.
In Fie bi shem ye no. O ne ho ofe. Ami extra no nyame nkoso so inhira no. Na ho brase na ni siwade hunu no. Ye ton no amanfo mpo nim chen. Na ade ba ko Ghana fo nyina nso agi atum titiri no omo koto aba NPP mu no. Wo mo say Bawumia eye amkra nsuo no akakakra bi na ye ma. Nti adan ena se bebu bia guso. Se nsuo so kra na beto a ye ntwa me nsuo no guso ma ne ma. So atiase. Na ehunu se nsuo mu na no. Se sabato abredu nti obia sori a me contest. Nti nsuo mu nti ukohwie nsuo na gum no ade nsuo foforo mbo ana. Ena nyame sutia ka ohwie nsuo no gu ya pe ne nsuo ebeto na ye da ijaito. Nti anwia na ade bedware ana. Ni busawo de ombusa me no.
Yes.
Was nti anwia na ade bedware. Eno hyemu krasa mpanimfo se ebi suo no ma na ato eden ebene. Eno obusuma nim se yakɔ ne sɛ imprensa. Ena sabe ujun so gu fa kun so eden. Epu. Yes. De omuka ya nwanwa kra ne sɛ ya de wa ha yan kai kra no. Ye nua Chastela so no we sahwini.
Yeah, Maxi Visa.
Ye we sahwini. Was ye nua Chastela ntino ye mfiri Bawumia chi. Inam sa de na Chastela we Bawumia o se da bi 2004. Eyi ball akotokone has ebo ye Kumasi de won kai. Ya babo Ghana has a confederation as den. Me the ball me say den ni mo me de any boxing.
CAF Champions League.
Yeah, me de no de. Me the boxing de bo bi share na mo huma sorry.
And only see didn't get
Why?
I see didn't get
For babo me.
I was on the boxing no pen na football. Mo ye training session kra ba ko for be kwa Jibril. In the boxing the obi any ho no aba Jibril say ye fa the T enye point.
Wo fa na so fa hwia ne me free me. Me de na asempa bo me tape ya ba. Fa hwia free me. By the way, the omo kan say Samre we say kotokodi kan ba has na bebo e bankran bebo bolo. And ye 1-1. And a has for so e returning match. Omu kodru ye nyame adom Chastela. Ye bo pi ni gina no di go atum. So kai fi kotokofo ani abere. De woni sika kra na so kofra kokoye nkwa mama kohwe na de betuma didi. Afedi ade na kan yin bro ni ye oye nkochi ya. Obeye ni sesi oyi Chastela free. And a pressure ibetisi kotokofo so kiki na krofo take ye ko penalties and krofo na yesi nchen nto am se sa asem nti no sei no ye de kan asede a Bawumia de kan asede a enya fe ne ko matrama ko na so okọ na so mo de pressure be si usu a ndc fo de do mo ye no mo na mo ase na Bawumia na mo ho na mo de be ko nyina minia asem nti Bawumia bebe nyame de na be dro ni mfie no minim se enkoba se 2028 a obedi ni mfie be se na sabro nya se 6 years.
Yes,
inshallah Dr. Bawumia nyame enti obe the next president of Ghana.
Okay, so before so beto aso no anopay finally afi that Lumba yi date be na yi naba se be no 6 December this year Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kumasi. Nti eno ye by way of information nti mo a anopay o sendra kwa na da sibiri bisame say Lumba da be ni bisi no me nim se bi o yi no chefa bi wo mu a ato 6 December 2025 Baba Yara Sports Stadium. We Antoaso
na o se chrome politics to mri bia ya na edin o akura mo ti ase ntem o bisa na mama nko aba ya Apostle ko Joseph team Lumba Susu team me kura na madwene ko ho saa o ana wadwene ko ho saa ombo ball list ni saa na me say eni mo de en saa na tie de ba betran ne asua bi me nia ba bia chama wuntumi ewo bia no me so ahye ne ho den ne din ne Bengazi so ti ase na ne yire ene ne ma ene abushafo obia no ne ayekanyina ne se omo hye omo ho den ene mo podi etiri ye Dr. Dankwa mo de sie nkruma kun wo mo.
Yes,
okumo beti bi lamte no na kodem na brade a minia ne de say etufo bo ye tuo nyina ye nim ye kina but nyame bi kurai se ko ba ne sa kura na ye nim ye pa se fiase ene ma Joseph obedani minister nti nyame enka ne ho na minia Eniema Koswa Mama any NDC. President Ray doesn't seem to be serious. Only on this SOS for Kushia. CSOs. What we say Adiano Amfa. Na a hon muna okoka saying wood to me akunta mining. Onya smart. Your mama is not smart. No wonder Sonia Stando Benum say no na you too for dia. Better than why is smart. If I were the president, you shouldn't have even mentioned it. And can Koba ye say no. Come on for Beka say a natural course. But who call you know? I was saying bone to me din. Na me my channel. Near Rusa my baby. Meanwhile, as somebody bet true when you say, Cratchy. Content creation at the Biao Yenu Bejineki cancer near the end Yaguma. Nia wow can yeno. Esa wodi or the saying emergency when push no.
State of emergency.
Entinin sam no anya dwuma enti saa na tie dia untumi na ma me ewu but abua onye you know nyame etanachi na ma me nka quotations bi amfankyerɛw we dey nya bible quotations
okay
ye mia me nka ta na me twerɛtwerɛ no na sesei no me ye imagine say mia no niema ekoso amanyesem mu no ade a o say etimi ade ye we ni ye indispensable philosophical quote for strategic political management and leadership. Dodo no ansa ka bi anopa bi ameta na nsia ma e bi na mentanse na .16188 no say remember the bloody legacy of Hitler, Stalin, Mao, Pol Pot, Saddam and Amin. That is Amin, men who wielded violence and fear only to perish in ignominy. Today's leaders take heed. True strength flows not from arms or coercion, but from the omnipotence and omniscience of the divine. Rule with compassion for your brethren, selflessness in your purpose, patience in your judgment, understanding in your counsel, and humility before the mysteries beyond your grasp. Fail this test, and you'll be judged as devils incarnate. Your reign considered to be same fleeting horror and eventual disgrace as those tyrants of old. They are made tough about person Kenya and say, Mua ene to me Shamunsano, Eya Monkai Adolf Hitler, Monkai Stalin, no if a say Russia a year and also Nipa Boni Nipa Bako, Yankai Idi Amin, any Saddam Hussein, and our way, Yadi to me Mawa, Fanyamisro, Fenipa Hudo, for my year, and Tessa also enche a battle to send you to woman. Sort yes, yes, and this is a better senior a 2 woman. And Yamna make out a yard this year, yes, yeah, any day we are seeing a can once him, and a ja, Mosom for Adumako Befi, Messoberi 2 Jan. Now, Odia no Tontaya, Mammy Sankai, we make me a filming flow. And no year page 100.298, and so me I'm saying. Political leadership is not a private estate to be owned, inherited or guarded like a treasure chest. It is a sacred trust, a momentary calling to serve something greater than the self. The true political leader is not a proprietor but a steward, accountable to both the past that built the platform and the future that will judge the outcome. To confuse political leadership with ownership is to turn power into possession and stewardship into self-interest. But political leadership in its highest form is guardianship of principles of people and of purpose. Those who grasp this lead with humility and vision. Those who don't rule with excitement and blindness, often at the cost of what they were meant to protect. Nyawa Kenya ni say amanyosemu to me no eye wasuma dwuma na nya ankrankra to me say bia fie na we dia konya to no woni aninti no eyade ade ama omretia bim ese fasum na emu anipa no na nya wo interest na de all can say political leader de eyade a enye se wo no abio school ana se enya no abie bia wuntumi eyade a de ama say besom na mom so ye nyansani na de sum ye dia dachi bekao neba wodi kokroko dia bim se ne mama ne dom eyeyi a minua eno so ye bekao ma wie ni sa de mra edie na wuntumi waye edie benko a na wuntumi waye ne edi kan wuntumi boni a waye kese pa ne se 2016 wontumi tigina ya Ashanti region yenya the highest vote na other regions wontumi yenya starting free SHS kwa no ye uniforms e de kro no wo mu say on the shaky foundation no it is a want mam ya mewia nkum Ghana for 2016 ya ba biodi a oni en target eno ne body edikan wontumi aye ana de make on tiase NDC for na sem nyina mu gina so no into your campaign 8 years ni nyina no wontumi was the target wontumi was the target the atosumienu anya mredi kan ya omoye wontumi sani o emra John mama kroya wo aban mu no between 2012 2016 no the same thing omoye wontumi the mfidia sabre omo kase wontumi woni nkata odi eyi na sabre no a na nkata na wodi eyi adwuma no sabre na ohinifa enti so bi tawo a wo modin foforo osa otiane pa 2016 ni 2014 2016 ni yabam John mama at a point omu say wontumi rate all building no na obeyi Ibrahim afiri wo mama mi enti sa dia omo mpe wo mo chini fidie nyina e court ye boka Ghana e boka over $1 billion. Yes, e judgment debt. Enti wontumi asem na ye ka no se bia ade ne ho ahi se bia party ne ho ahi no mama yan kasem ne sania esitie ye ma ba mu kura no o me to tankuruwam sanso obi anwo a woni so ti ase na menua we yi a wo mo eye we se nyina no ene ko ba se so mo gina asem no kura so ene wo mu twa ha ke ni hawo eye den na NDC fo a wo mo nsem eye west egina court Collins Dauda opuni kwabnado fo jakpa Esia mampo de oyi no akwa the Bank of Ghana governor all issues on the president mama enya mama say $1 no ya discuss gum we so buy also first gum and I wanted that issue no what you say jakpa yawo tibon koso ye na sa akoshe ho asemu a okoye Ghana any kai boy bank system nyina free abranti wo mo di wasa elevate wo mo ato forcing ne sem da ho eye den eba ye and the storm say no penny force be sure no man ato a ebene eba ye and what the can deal with those issues and akofa ultimate dia o say
Mrs. Sedu Agongo ni
opuni mu die and na wo kan say
millions of dollars
and ke ni hawo fine won't to me the name ewu MPP the opposition the atosu bi onso so ni say John mama ni nua pa enye nchen said nam tamaklo maslog any sika owiaye eye yifo sika
na
kantamanto
agbogbolisi na kantamanto
okay kantamanto ni agbogbolisi nyina part of a whole society of fire ya hwehwe mu ya ma ne bre edru baabi
oba kronfo
edru baabi o se ne yamu tunto America no kopaduro mo be pim ne obi a ya sentence no what is am ma gina baabi aka se awura no emrafie ana wodi niam bi gukwe Ghana fo ntie na ne ya catch them say mama no said the NDC fo no aka say mama the same yesterday is the same mama today the same mama so ti ase ni e kana man fo ntie ase the etosu biem eye den ena mama ebu na so ade agu enche MP Obrahim funi nyina aka se galamsey wo sei ho the etosu mienu Swaman DC yes a drip machine a yede eye de eye ye kwan yi ena ko ho kwan NDC fo no ababonte se papa no wo de ye galamsey ana me bo ana oh eye den ena mama akana no atum the etosu biem wa na okache se Joseph Yami any o first vice Abanga what and what and biem
there be
me two million match usie enra ya turn on off one DC ya need na say one to galamsey okon kawie enne kotwa kawie kwan enne kotwa osino unam kwan mu akoyo se de hositie na araho samsene seminua ya kan nyina no eye den na mama so ani abrea enipa 7 na say 8 eye omukoto share obuase Anglo Gold ayikum wo mo no akasi esie wo mo no wati wase mbiem
dabi weekend na me wo boase
yes
me first time me kohuni na me duba bi na me ho adwire me because ifie enyina ese baby de bra ha bebo ho nyina efie nyina ififio baby na nkrofo
kwabrafo so buoti enom ni ade
ko he Jimmy Dam ho he se na isu na ya timi bisa me ho se te nipa ye no anso yi mo mu twam wo ho mu hu ana wow
ti ba dia kodoro no de mi busa ne se nipa wa mo sha mo kutupa Sami Jamfi number 1 Captain Smart number 2 Obuasi NDC woman organizer number 2 3 yo mo ka say ya wini ya mo kotu what is say ya ka ho asem
baby
yura mama
omo ye fontia
wo ma intubet mato ho asawram but onyame ye nyankopon ni nkumfo a otua gya no kafra wo nto aso me menti me ya bibia me dwene so think twice Mr. President de tasu biu ade ba akonso so a yemusa ye pa so ne say say wuntumi oguso ye galamsey ye small scale mining no
there be wajai
MPP time krampo no 2022 no jai ananya sa ne tie enti sabre a wuntumi jai 2022 no enano ensuo na nitia etie ya ye accountability level no MPP time na 14,000 and now I'm going to say a quadru over 30,000.
I said 94,800.
Say me cry me at it.
And the color no cocono.
Yes.
And also naka highest no 800.
Yes.
Like see no number 5,000.
Me that's
it. Including insurance taho be bosumi and 9 cry and intimate.
Inti won to me eduguso ye. Enya da betwa obeto bo atwa fra ena pata
kan na do ma hene bono ho staff hene se ni krum ye ntu galamsi ho enne ye tu galamsi ho krum ye tu bi wo bole ya pe
bole de ye tu ya che enya bole me da mama ko gina on fare ade ko gina achimfie ko ka se galamsi no saada no no adi krum bole dollar power e pa 120 ekolapse wu
yeah
ai galamsi en ko gu wo mzo enya mama time no ena soja ni ofra sinfusu Moba fan so koka dissect no mo nkotwe galamse yi omko ade boapa bodi tuo wono de oye akanni nti no mama nka ho hwe ba yeye ba ya mejo mama semba yi no munim se ne si ye no asonye choti ase fe no to ntai de tosu biu ya pese bubusa pa ni se hwe kofo enya maye no na one of the places akọ square dey pa central region yera kofo de be yi su problem free ho and the central region 10 places including Kwanyako minia ya close to omoyi nso be no under John Dramani Mama
and 10 places to 10 district
10 district minya odi no eto nchen ya ye busa ye Ghana fo busa me ye ne nam ne omo kat ebusa yin ese entity untumi tia ya chi ni is it a smart way ya omo dey avoiding responsibility nana enna ken ashibe ekobusa ya sa brantie we say em say dampa utim standogbe no on dia say John wona na se girl ko rape no tek ya hu sem bae no afani wo yomi so adam for say John
sir
John dey defend no
sir
yes
yende me maintain
sa brantie ya na man discuss on ko high bass papa Emfa Castle reporters Jubilee Emfanko ho ya kofa ka fun a Samuel Niama Ghanaian Times ewu ye no sa brante ye enene okọ William Gentu owani TFM SOP FM enen nsa me no kasa brante kese ne nsa ya tetire bepem sabri standogo so adwunya onim so cheduabo ase sa brante ye ena brante ba kepro ne ya Kasim me ne no ena na Exadio Kings na me ye head of department you are teaching English and you nyina saba legon the same year owie was for GBC onu na standogo ko je na yi e dey form no and to set a person say mama obe fan say or your deputy chief of staff wa totobi kwa yi a odaban kwafie anya hwe kura no oye liter osaba bio no and she's conducting herself for now
yenteninka
Jilo Zebra yenteninka but oye no was me mo betra no map akwa na what say ye no o meka omu no ni atem but minia omu de mampaye nyame panie wie ya yi a minia abani dey already lost it is said they didn't say hunu ni nkrasesem a wo mu ya no 2024 election no wo mu careful they know they've lost abanya o ka kire say wo be de pad besiaba e bebre nkra me nam nkra se nya se pad ni bia nko enkra wo che ye nso so a wo che ba kono ebi amabio pad besiaba ye ton ni say abanya okache ye say first year university students wo be ma obia sika akio obia school fees ananya sa na che edu ono mo say wo mo jame ade no kakra bi na nya access school fees we are on the average universities ni nya no 4,000 Abaway ukotua otua bi 2008 otua bi 2000.
In fact omu man no kra wie no na second year hoko no o increase omu dey by 60%. Yeah.
Family foka
ya sani police for go.
Abrum kwada ni ade. And nurses never sorry a. No obi atuma ko gira omu nko school. Meanwhile, mama me bi fini din. No na head of department e wo nursing school. Say one na wo Allied University, one na vice chancellor.
Okay.
Wo ye nurse, but professor. Who told you so be a year no onim na yi na one kasa na wo kan kasa no when was the last time and as the first time with me your second master yes will be the John Russo say one say who nin sa kinkan sam funko a etomre bia ba bia woni tumi a yedie ni nti no wan hwe ya na wo kokase bi but you should be measured but enye nyansa no mo ye no me sama bu sa bio say the Ghana for Busani say, and that near Domama Oye, you know, a year gold or the Ama and the Bushia for. Yes, Sami Jamfi, and Yashi Krano, Yenim Kra, lawyer Fuaqua. He was my student. Lawyer Fuaqua, he was my student. Sami Jamfi law school job. But lawyer Fuaqua, what ten in culture say at 10 or Yansa, Babin. Oh, yeah, come I ask them crown could do a court. What to be that? Yet what got two gold board and no sexual sumabusha for and why from say Ghana for Busase. The mama all yenny wound to me, no, and no na Ebema Ghana for me say, or can of crana. Yadika, no, some for do buy was it Bema Wakumapa. Was I so that you was it to me and Yamidi Mama, no quan echo from and Yamanam Kai Usubempa, and I'm a boy. Was it to me the quan echo from? And then this is for your campaign, the so far if one Obia, come on, now the moon minute. So, I say, oh, dear, no so at 20 years, Minia. A dear Bakua, Japa, with a man radio 95.9. What comfort Tibon Coso, and your cromfo binum. Think as Lumina. Oh, what comfort Tibon Coso, and your cromfo binum. And what woman be go me so that you say woman muye do mo pe and wo moye but minia bibia woni bre bibia e woni bre what you say wa kofa akromfo ebinom ani tibonko so and wo ma ye na muo na mamen kan me coach nchira me say brofo de bia na wonte da the kakistocrats and kleptocrats. What you say?
Me tipa.
Yes, will be a kakistocrata. Obi atumi mu no. Woni mu hwi won sua hwe. No nya prepare so be sua bibi. Example ni why Sam George. Okuje to ablakwa. Examples no eye dodo no ana me bo ana. And yes will be a kleptocrata or ya kromfo onya na bi su dai. So the combination of the two, Tibon Koso kromfo and a ban we say. Let me read. The kakistocrats and the kleptocrats may scheme their way to prominence, hurling insults, spinning lies, and reveling in disrespect, even convincing themselves that they are fit to occupy positions of trust. But power gained through deception is a fleeting illusion. If they have not sought godly wisdom, cultivated common sense, or acquired the discipline of true knowledge, then their rise is nothing but the prelude to their downfall. For in time, ignorance unveils itself, arrogance collapses under scrutiny, and the very crowd that once cheered them will bear witness to their disgrace as they stand exposed, stripped of honor, ridiculed by truth, and undone by their own folly. So, the tip on Koso for Akron for the minor. As such, you bet me the contemporary nada added to me, no. Normal din mom so bet me. Shana Okujeto. If NDC were strong, were serious enough, would they take such a person say Ghana's foreign affairs minister? Ghana's foreign affairs minister. Abraham who gurus were NDC. Shem krasi some okoye nani. say wo ta ha parliament nti America me ma wonko na tisidia se be di ma fa o kuje to ko dada what is and turning contempo self illegal obiani no next time and as I to asu di contempo o se sign and now by na STA or say LGBT kwana kwato so aba o say yes me to so aba eno nko ana o say kate me tuo obi a wo say eya ka or say helicopter and I say or say presidential jet see a private jet pay over resign a whole country 3 times and all that so does he have conscience obi a ka say galam say over resigning is still there obi a osaka say government property so be tobia and the mama at the abasa say the aban ejafade ye bono or the saying don't come while resigning if this guy were to have conscience like some of us
the mama can say obi en talkers but no as a bump telephone tima
now I say you are
25 in kwa
abranche ya wa say abu abai you are say some when someone when yes communication akwa bi da ho some when
communication ministry
isa no muka abrante no da ho na wonim say minia me kote na asembi me nkode bia me koshia ma yenom so akwa we anabu nim so onye Ghana ni nam so nye no kre no say ya watek obi oni no watek bia no mo fe na nago wo ye Nigeria ni pa na e bia be wo no ha
I'm told say you won one Nigeria ho kra in fact vetin say ho asem bai
e mo say professor Baako me koni ho o say so say won mamu ni akiri the guy has never been a Ghanaian onu no wa to aso say motete won mo wonu aka hu bi e na Nigeria fo akombesi wo mahini ni wo ha no wo ka hu bi eto teye no sania onu akofa o le say na say ya issues here the say kra ayi DSTV asemi bai enyo na kofa bai and they say what any spokesperson na baby ameni na any baby amount for the DSTV do say the here a subscribe meanwhile MTN yempa one kind every now and then your problem
but you cry the teleso the social network here asem
so ti ase na fred ye ko wi ase a wo bia wo kwaka say eno na akoka ho afere ba say ye de nto so abam wa mi say tam na mama ni abre pa na do you make such an entity a president a minister hwe wa ya adwuma da o wie school kuta ya boabin bag sei ya boabin asamwa kuta ne bag and ya boabin man ko save wo aliu mama ho enen senguru o ko di iti mensa ki no ko wia no iti mensa obewo no de utirimka o ko wia no yet under NDC wotumi nya tumi menua so de no to so a enam so odi akromfo binom eni nipa wo man pray ho se yesua amamuo se ne sitienti no ena o man na iwo mu no eno Ghanaian times prices of commodities enyama buo they were escalating eno Ghanaian times na sanye Ghanaian times krana se me na meto gare lo nkase ne sitia wa ba bosomi nkron bosomi dumu anie ena ahwiri kwa be 2 times miami ni aba na ya jantoa o se dokunu yentimi nto o ba ni ebusa ase ne dokunu boeta o se meja dokunu di
KKD na on ne bu bayre bo ho contact se o Ghana na KKD nto bayre biem
on to biem so ti ase
mo man musu nkrofo e bi pa o
ya fia be kai ni nyina
na KKD nto bayre biem
na ya jantoa se dokunu woni
na ya jantoa se oni dokunu
biem
wow
na niema buo pa se ni sitie no na NDC amamu de ami ya ne say mumma no kure kakra mam because am na mo se dollar ba fom ti niema bo kofom emra dollar yi ba fom na niema bo so kosoro na ya kwa boso kan aboso kan okọ honom na okọ tudu na okọ makola na okọ kan si any other places e won kan ha na menua ubesu and then kontompo dollar yi a yenya sika gu honom a yan ye bu atemodi ye bu o man dia ko suru nti no ye yi ya ni free so no ya no ba ya won be hwe sika gu mu no ya dollar no e ba fom kaka enso kra na ne ma boarding and dollar ko duru sen na which mean ka dollar wo mai mu obra sefa nka ho asem because ye man na kotogo no kra de sefa ni hia o mu kase e na jinsamu and then nam so kwafa tibon kosofo na dia bu o man ntino and a state of insecurity and injustice e buapa mama no abie na no se won tia se aban no akufu ado aban e be fa supreme court fo no no de o bade a wonu o man na be dwene ho wo ba ewu ni afe supreme court nko nipa be senso asengotwe wo ba appeals court a eno so ne Ghana fo adwene ho mobota ye nyira ni se senia attorney general we ekọ vet no ko kan say ye bete kangaroo court edi oba ne na nan musu no enti kangaroo court nam ko kan ye no ye the judges no gumu a aduma ko ba fi ne ye de no be ko hwe ya ne ye de na kotum banya meti ase yam de betua nkrofo ka e wo sa ade ba no na de ye se ye mra ne ye ti kuro mu odi ya no to nkyanya John Mama a state of insecurity do wa no odi be kan nyame osusu odi ma wo
aja for breakdown wa fa oba in 9 months wa fa 69 court supreme court here son court of appeal here 21 and high court here 41 in less than 10 months
dia ko dro no dia yam yakase abamba bintu akwa ni mu sei senator na dia kum de gatifo a enka minim no be ka fa MPP ho Unyanum so ye Dagomba form ye the highest free northern regional. The second highest population Dagati for. And they are learned almost here. And they are no ye. A year what me attraw ama gonja. Adia o se dia adwene ye kufuado dia adwene ye. Emen na yendi. Eya abuduni andani ti asumje. O ko bakutia ene ntokwa etifa so.
Na babi asema wo ken. Wonim say in the parliament ain't me esaka parliament e resume 29
yes
omuntu me resume when we say parliament in iska
what me diska me
di pa make say and the kufuado aban ye say or te parliament budget suka krebi babin be threaten amampani say so what so they will not approve the budget ben parliament budget mama binding farmer parliament and the parliament ain't mean set esan ko resume from 29 ya suspend the parliament indefinitely and babina the actual statement by abase beyond the control and I was like really
there me yakese ni say abamba be ye the gati ni ye kumu nkofo enipa agu me se me nam nkrase emi ni a pani akon kroba akumi modi bi ayanum de obeto ano ko se me nana eni ofase kasa wakasa na to yakoma so but ba omi obeba omomode say asumdwe beba ye ho MPP maaye ema gonja eni dagomba dagati fonya enkonda anda mama obi ono si boko ntokwa okobra no ene de odi ntokwa wo yaba na de am ya ne say Ghana fo no a wo mu free hana wo mu akotra Togo Burkina ena Cote d'Ivoire yom ye dagati fo mama nka ho hwe obon for foreign minister okotena ho no mu a na ya wunwura ho wo agiska woni mama ni nyina no mu age na makofa hardened criminals America for kura na wo mu war equipment everybody adilo dem no o si age wo no ma betra me ne o we say bi da and okuje to as a foreign minister so ti ase eno da nkyanya amenne no okuje to wutimi faayi ema Israel any
for Gaza Palestinian for
wutimi ko ho
enu opposition na
your opposition
enu ye Russia and
Ukraine oko Ukraine and na me no kasei Togo ha ye busokuje teso akoho bia akoduro no so ko fankrofo a wo mbuta nche be wia ye be kumni asei results aye nya no and the unfulfilled promises yen somewhere di anu aka ni entimi nye yen ye ba ye by 4 years and ye man ye they were so evident na sebe o ba ye ba kokura ontimi na mama mom de bi suro no papa no onsuro nyame obi a o time and a circle ha eye June 3rd ensuo fa nipa be 400 obua party so etinka wo nipa nka nsuo efae no nka ye campaign kra nka anfa nkoye but the campaign no blame MPP mebo ana enro nsuo ato ye the Western House Minister wo hefa enro nsuo ato ye mama ba nya bosemi nkroni bibi odina no ka ye bia no wo nya so akatua hwe eye sampa okọ se kire di ye campaign oni agimambadu do ma hene Modi ya campaign na say mobile he nipa wu sampa a post for ni chimamufo baby akudro no when ya pe si akasi akamu samaminia adaje ebeboyen eyade a yesu na de ya ni se chese eni atranton dwane ahantan ya ye kire dwumayefo ena adwumayefo eye ni apagya na edu akota uni asem bi aka na nurse fo kwa de se da ndi sifosi kire om ne teacher fo okwa ne de police fo begu so na kando a nurse fo begu o kansem esu na akojo ye otiti se de sebe o ye concert party o man pempen so ai wono no na se wenu nyina na menua ye jai akan anu atum pa no a ekon no nyame akon amaye ya ye nia ye namu a nia ye ho de Mustafa bande ka e se fiefo ka ho ni ade enti mo de mo ni nyansa se obi aye yambe ye ebi a o kam ye de akiri but it could be true but the message people for so say me matiti bi radio te obi bia ye friend world issues what the eje beto abusua num so ti ase won hwe yi a na ne we na kwani akoko eno no betimi aye no kure but the me busa ndisi for no say mo na tumi kura mo enti mo ni nyansa eso bi na meka ncha osa chiwe sei enti sabusuafo de a ene na no so no ise obeka we di ato amentokwa bade a yenso yehu ba bi omote se sa na tie a yen yenim de be yen ya bato ananya sa na tie but enya no ne ebegina so ama ya twe aba me wie no menua ensem ni bi wonu mu a eya na eya pa ana na me nkoti a eye menua gabia saro kire da ko esela de bokuti ase obi e pese we ne ena ye pa chew ananya sa no ka
yeah
o se pa chew gabi de fini so fi ochen wo mo nana eni bia na bibisa wo ye Ghana ni wo ye obi a onima mamre a chopa emuduro no asuche sika mpempe mene ne relationship ntini ya na me careful anya fi kura no national lotteries oni yo fi grant ne frame se papa no ese dia mama aside that John Kuma wu ye no I was the first person frame me o ma me frɛ Richie Nyama me frɛ eye Fred Amankwa eche hosin be kai ho emo nu aka sɛ ni ato John Kuma se bubi na to ye ni a kebe ni ya pa nti o mampani so obehu ye na de epe obi aka ne de Richie Nyama aka ni pense opani menimu ni ma ba ensiaga eno de mante ho asem bi kopim semti ye na me nua wuo ni esan fro de aka sɛ sɛ o na wu ya nti anja hwe kra fro frɛ ye no me di buo be ma no akoka ni kobeki sa statement we say so atiase ese ade ba ko a ha no pa eye haircut oni bai
yeah
a chopa be na chesa o kan se ba
the darkest moments
darkest chese esuma duru no pa ba ko no o tiase wo fatu ahene no me ade duru be bom de abufuo ye nyina no they were right wa ya djuma akoduru ba bi financial aspect yes ya yiri wa twawtiri ya twa Tokyo Joe me professor Bako was I was born NPP but this time I'm not going to vote because I can't afford voting for NDC intino na na akoka se bu ese no gabi wante ya fa no 20 look minia and some people on mo Bible say batakin I'm not a lawyer but I am a PR expert and I'm also a political communication person. And of course, I'm heading towards becoming an expert. Obia no hano mo aminia, why PR, public relations, even form 1 and form 2 for Komuru Bebiano. Obra wonya issues management, wonya crisis management, and reputation management. Lord, you meet me kokan wasem. Name of Mahano dear is within my domain. And to Obia and can't Gabi say MPP Bebiano, whether we like it or not, we have moved from issues based to issue to crisis. You lose you call to saying
2024
by elections in Yasa Kolusu. So certainly we are in crisis. And when you are in crisis, strategy is dealing with crisis issues. No, we call it crisis response strategy. Nebia no nimbia no kinkan. Ebia na ni so no onimche obi anti obe shout. But the point is say assemble say adwuma yi mu say you minor say a baby na crisis crisis response no inia several they are making obi o PR expert bia no wonim they make one you can use attack or you can attack the accuser. That is, the party that claims a crisis exists is confronted and its logic and facts are faulty. Sometimes a lawsuit is threatened. Say nipa no free say, yeah na ade asma beto yeso nya no kre. Obetumi attack and also obetumi issue lawsuit such as here. There toss me your compassion. The organization expresses regret and or concern without admitting guilt. Oh yes, you know, Islamu munyabutre. Ya akoko na chiaba. Enum kasa we e dey disturb niema. Oh dey no atu on so a. Yes, I will deny as one of the crisis response strategy. Oh, was obet market was say bibia no sa asie. Eno so deny. We no dey anya law, we e me dey. And yes, I will excuse you. The organization minimizes its responsibility for the crisis. Any intention to do harm is denied. Say at the end but let me again say yeah I'm a visa abeto. No fancy ye. Your justification why it happened. And yes, I will buster. Your ingratiation and compensation at the appropriate time it maba. And your work corrective actions. Yeah, the should be taken. And send a full apology. Meaning, so the bad political communication more. Apology inside crisis, no, we call it mortification. Mortification. Now, a year Toyota, open your friend Akio Toyota, and between 2009 2010, no, arguably the whole world. Now a year automobile LED, and I'm a one, and a friend here a coba say, one more cast review on the more. What's not the cry now when you're in here accelerator and Sunday do call. Accident so they were expecting the crisis response strategy. I'm not called Okopie a penino, Akio Toyodas, Okopie a yes Senate no. They were expecting so when you and Yanasi Okoya Rubuko to be a soon cacao soon ya patch no. At the end of it all no, it restored the image of Toyota. A top and one fast so. Tetronia Bibremo say no. It is a wound him now their hand time by ya. Bawumya forever. Go forever. What you say? Now, I look like Cosin said, Bet Macase. I a bassa will be our petum yedi. Namini Hana Catro. And Yamafu, yeah, you have been a wow of a Kufado. Nana, what me Akoji Atrum said one of the darkest movements. But you are part of President Kufu of all people. Emra oba ban mu ni ebusano emra woni presidential meeting the you know obi na no kan say enipa na me ka so omudo so no oba no fabro so takra wan pacho.
Yeah, in fact even President Akufo-Addo as an opposition candidate you can all die na nkrofo ye ya no obeka oh enya sa na me pese me kire enipa na agi Manuel Sibon but say Ghana for masema me kan na home a me pamache.
Yes, Kwame Sifaka station.
Yes.
And Sam Wabekano. O free 2014 buy. A year will be declared so Bekobiono. Yay no my better anymore. If you are two you will be statement and another kind which said it was genuine. Was it certain things I said? If I should be given the opportunity today, I will not say that. And the make cry I'm station my court said. If free Sam and my careful. Send near my chinchina who defend the penny, who defend the penny, who defend the penny. No, if you are broad, the casano. Sembre biba, no, no, one can hear babontain. And then my brother Gabi or the Yames Mediao. You know how we respect each other. Now, could you baby? What can send me no behind your papa? Your mama is the most prepared. It is better than an Akufo-Addo. And he has made you who you are. Baby, I echo drone, Johannes say, baby, I also in you know, Minia. Yes, Christo, oba Nikan, oba Niso. But send the Binmo depart, name free Debbie Danko Muslim. I'll be able to bet my castle do Debbie Danko Chemi. And will be able to bet my castle I research Chemi, Debbie Danko. But one more castle free Debbie Danko, don't one penasem. Near a buy your beer, Yanan Wahonum. Ne papa, a friend of Mike Ajay, one of the seasoned journalists in the country. On the Death and Pain, Rollins Ghana. Nebano Abena, what read a book about Debbie Danko. Yet Mr. Bagani idea, oh yeah, yani free. About maintaining Kebu, very brilliant lady. Maintaining Kebu. Until now, our castle free JB Dankwano, and no home fason anything. obi e jebi dan kwa cha atachia enso dia ne ye no obi e jebi dan kwa cha atachia enkruma okum jebi dan kwa no kwa enkruma masolium nya ye ho na ko jebi dan kwa fie afei ba ko bie wo kan ya ensisi so nyansa dodo de nipa bodam say Ashanti region ye MPs kotra sene na Akufo-Addo ekoye say wo mu hia flyovers no mu hia community roads anajo mandase mu sei ekofa sem e dia beto wo so won kan kire me say enipa ben e no wa Ashanti region na Akufo-Addo to nsafrem apia kubia mo ne kasa e me papa no me empene ne mahwe ana wunim kati ya monkra no emre ekoba second for reatasman o court okodi animu ma na no ye den and obey a loving boy a copy trade and industry so some the crane ya bo hwese me kroma free ye ayu e kwa ba de no fa so ba me bia me free kura de me nuenye me ya anya me hwe ayu a free ye ya anya me hwe opani ba ko ye court Supreme Court ogigina mu wo ye MP ye fra no agent Ebuache Frank mu yusu no up and down wo ni ade owie ya anya me hwe eti me mpata mo de apart from Edward Buatia mo de ko China no ya ma ye mu ba bia hwe o ya say ana amprachum no kofre no enya nukure number 2 say ya nukure dia eye den na Asantefo no kan say teme sam ka say o mo mpe no sabre na mu no mo de ba budgetim eye mo de ba mu say
me kan say even chairman wuntumi kwa press conference
about
the interchanges yes extra ban say onye interchanges
chairman sam be kasa o ho mo de ba budgetinum all the interchanges enti de mebusa gabi ni say eye dan ne mpanimfo ka se MPs no ka se o mompe na still mo di ko shemu na mo di ko shemu so a eye dan na last minute na mo di musako kai ana mo national security akwa no police de no di gabi achi ya mo gi adwuma ni free o de say kanda pansa mu o ti ase eye dan and want me ambra mo say situation wo mu sabre se mo amfa so amho a eye better chance mo di aso bebo
of a union co.
Sabrano magazine for Odi for the Aqua Cronia, the normal can say, some of a year corner anyhow. Never small ye, no master, you made a better Tiamo. Didn't they think about that? Intimini Gabi, the excesses, they are becoming one too many. Now, Pamu who fought to the Bema. Ye now, Doctor said in Akufo-Addo say, and Yama tan 10 money I can watum, but never again. Baumia, yet a teno. Baumia obuadie Ghana for ye jacha patum it is all dia umuadie na jacha patuma ya with all respect Baumia that is what Ghanaians need what you say why must this come in more buya sutro say more buya abra yesu and then you go out there ototo bo dia ba ye only Ibrahim munenam only the to gold etuto mu gold de one Ibrahim na ye obianim Jilaza braba ho ye share the rapport you established nya ye tetie say MP before be this sika e say o kan hu bia emre bekyere baba bia koduro no say wo bu ya bra yisu anan say eye part of the threat say mama sem no kogu ye no okosia CS so na anye ye no e dey faculty MP before ye ni wachi de ni wachi wo yi amayi anu mi nka bi oda basabe wa nkasa chebi ho na nkasa no say mo ye papa ya mo nko ho ami fansia